Introducing Oura, the world's first wellness ring and app. The Oura Ring combines insightful design and ultimate wearing comfort with top-tier science and technology. With Oura, you learn how your activity and lifestyle choices affect your sleep, and how the quality of your sleep affects your ability to perform during the day. Oura is a ring-sized wellness computer that measures your pulse waveform and the exact time between your heartbeats. From these, it calculates your heart rate, respiration rate, and other parameters necessary for precise analysis of your body signals. The Oura Ring detects even the slightest movement and monitors changes in your body temperature. The ring automatically knows when you go to sleep and when you wake up, when you are active and when you are sitting. The Oura app tells you what health benefits you get from specific activities and gives you actionable recommendations on how you can improve your sleep and adjust daily activity towards better balance and performance. You know when to challenge yourself and when to rest. You can use Oura anywhere, anytime. It works without getting in your way. Incredibly easy to use and comfortable. It's made from scratch-resistant and waterproof ceramics and fits snugly around your finger. It also uploads data to your phone automatically. If your phone is not available, the ring can measure and store data for up to 3 weeks. It's that simple. The Oura Ring will run for 3 days on a single charge. You can charge the ring in less than 60 minutes in the ring box. Oura will continue to evolve with new features and capabilities, all available to you via software updates. Improve sleep. Perform better with Oura.